Hi folks, how you going? Well, I've just been doing a bit of sugar barney, and yeah, that yellow's quite gorgeous, and the green's quite gorgeous too. These are still wet, these pieces, so see how the light's grabbing on them. And then if I flick over here, oh, there's a little piece there, little raw piece. Now if we flick over here, oh, look at this piece here, babies. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, babies. Now I'll take you inside. Well, we're inside, guys. I've cut out done a bit of a cutout here. As you can see, I'm still in the process of working. I've done a cutout here. For anyone who wants to know, there's my tape measure hanging up. Look at that. Beautiful. So, still need to tidy up, folks. I'm just in the process now, but there'll be a window in there somewhere, and that's the window there that will go in. I'm going to tidy her up a bit before I put her in, and then we'll shoot over the other side. So there's another window's going in there. This one's been quite interesting. I find this quite interesting. There was a massive flood about 20 years ago that came up to about this level here, and so you can see there's been some iron replaced. That bit there, they just sort of put more on the outside, but it's like a histogram, and well, not a histogram, but it's like a histographic here of what's going on. So anyway, there's my big hole for my next window. So not much has happened since I've seen you guys. I'm still burning wood. I'm still having a lot of fun, and I'm just waiting. Look, it hasn't happened. We've had like 10 days of rain out of 10 days lately, so we're just waiting for a dry day to put it in. Because when it rains here, it goes hard. So I mean, everything would get wet. It would just be a total disaster. So we're just waiting. Anyway, bless you all and good travels.